It's been weeks already. I'm still hunting for Gunpla for Crow. I don't know where he is, but I think my hunters draw me closer to him. I'm starting to feel more animalistic in the wild. I just hope that these urges doesn't overtake me. I will continue to hunt for the Gunpla. All for Crow. I gotta find Crow. Oh man, I gotta give him the Gunpla. What's that? Wow, would you look at this? So this is a brand new species of cross silhouette SD Gundams. This one in particular is the Gundam ground type. Very just marvelous. And here is an accessory to it. It is the silhouette booster white. So it's basically an add-on for the inner frame it already has. And if you look here, you do see the rear and the front shot of the mobile suit looking really gorgeous even without paint. And over here you are going to get some stickers, so obviously this one is for the 8th MS team. And over here you're going to have the backpack container, so if you want you can store its weapons right inside there. And it is going to have the 180mm cannon and the beam rifle. And if you look over here, it is going to have a shield. It's going to have a very nice machine gun. And of course it's going to show you the little gimmick with the inner frame, and that waist unit is basically going to be able to move forward so you can get a nice kneeling position. And moving on to the runners in no particular order, we are going to have runner A1, which is going to be the inner frame. And runner C is going to be more of a neutral gray, going to have the weapons right there, you're going to have the hands, the backpack, and just some other little assortment of items for the actual mobile suit. Runner D is going to hold the waist unit as well as the backpack. Here we're going to have runner B2, and these legs are looking very, very good, as well as the shield. You are going to have the waist unit right there, and some more chest pieces, and another little shield bit right there. But overall, it's looking really, really fascinating. And lastly is going to be runner B1. This is mostly going to be all head parts. I'm looking at this and I see some arm parts right there, and you are going to have some shoulder bits right there as well. But for the most part, this is looking to be mostly the head with a little bit of chest, and you got some of the parts of the waist right over there. Here are the numerical stickers and the normal stickers that are going to come with it. Lastly, of course, is going to be the instruction manual. Now it's time to look at the silhouette booster. This is going to be the white colored booster. And if you look over here, you are going to have different various optional parts for the hands, and of course you're going to have some availability to make a GM if you really want to. And then looking over here, it's just kind of showing you the differences between the SD unit as well as the cross silhouette unit if you're going to utilize these option parts. And then here is going to be the list of items that's going to come with it. And this is going to be the only runner coming in this package, so not really too much, but over here you definitely can see you are going to be able to utilize these different pieces right here to make yourself a SD cross silhouette GM. These hands are looking beautiful. You are going to have a closed fist, you're going to have 2 open hands right there, and 1 gripping a beam saber. But all these are looking just pure wonderful. You're gonna have some more curved little more thigh parts up there, and over here you're gonna have more curved parts for the bicep as well. But yeah, this is looking very promising. And then over here, of course, you're gonna have that sticker sheet for the GM. Wow, so these are looking super promising. Now, I cannot build them at all, but what I can do is continue my search for Crow, and whenever I find him, I'll deliver him these little Gunpla goodies, and I'll know he'll be able to build these with pure proficiency and confidence. So I can't wait to see what they're gonna look like, all completed and built, and if I know Crow, he's gonna wanna paint these as well. But other than that, thank you for watching, all you Gunpla hunters out there, and be sure to catch me next time on The Hunt. See you guys later. Crow, where the hell are you? I think I'm getting close. This must be the sacred Gunpla stone I heard so much about. I think Crow might be in this area. Well, I'll be damned. Here you are.